Hello friends, welcome to my video. In last video we converted binary to decimal. In this video we're going to convert decimal to binary and our number is 60. So let's start how we're going to convert. So first of all what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a sort of table type of thing. So let's say any time, let's say any number given to you. So here is 60. So what I'm going to do, so it's 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64, but I don't want 64 because 64 is greater than 60, so I'm going to delete that one. So our number is 60. So and we're going to subtract 60 from 32. So anytime any number is given to you, any decimal number, and if you want to convert into binary, so just like multiply, make it double that number, just like 1 2 4 until it reaches to that decimal number. Okay, so that's what I did here. Now what I'm going to do, so you have to subtract 60 minus our number is 32. Okay, so now, so basically it's 28. So I'm going to say 1 here. Okay, why? Because 1, because 60 is less than 32. That's the reason I'm saying 1. So now 16. So 16 is less than 28. Yes, it is, right? So that's why I'm going to say 1 here minus 16. So 2 and 1, so 12. Okay, what is our next number? 8. So 8 is less than 12. Yes, 1. Now 8. Now I get 4. 4 is less than or equal to, so yeah, equal to, so that's good. And now we don't have any number, right, because it's a 0. So now 0 and 0. You get it, what, how I did it? So that's how you're going to do it. Lesson number is 60. So that's why I didn't write 64, because 64, right, is greater than 60. So 32, that's our perfect number, because and then I deduct 32 from it, and if I can deduct from that number, then I put 1 here. Okay, and that's how I did it, just like that. Okay, and when I don't have any number, because when I reaches to 4, and 4 minus 1, right, is a 0. So every time I'm going to put 0. So now our binary is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, so that's our binary number. Okay, hope you like my video. In next video we're going to see how to convert decimal to binary, as well as we're going to convert to the hexadecimal. So hope you like my video. If you like, please share and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye.